Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. My name is Paul. I'm going to show you how to do video reversing using Movavi Video Editor. Let's begin. Now I have two videos here that I took of myself. They look a little bit funny. Let me just put one in the timeline. So I'll just play them so that you see how it was before. So let me just play this. Hello, welcome to the editors. My name is Paul. Today I'm going to show you how you can see this. Yeah, you can see that first audio there, that's first video there, sorry. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'll just double click. For you to reverse a video in Movavi, just double click, then it will give you these options. The next thing you're going to do, you're going to come to the down part, which is called the reverse. There's this part here, which is called the reverse. So I'll just make sure you tick it. The moment you tick, you see what happens in your video in the timeline, it becomes reverse. So if I play again, I'll still be very keen. Yeah, you can see the video is going back just like that. Let me try another video of mine here. I'll just play it here. I'll just play it so that you see how it was before. So let me just play. Hello guys, we are going to show you how to track motion for more than that. Yeah, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to just like that, the other one, I'm going to click it to give me more options. So I just double click just like that. Then I'm going to the last aspect called the reverse. That's the important. Then the video will reverse. So be very keen and see how it will reverse. I'll just play from there. Yeah, you can see it's going back. Guys, that's how to reverse a video in Movavi Video Editor. It's that simple. You can subscribe to my channel if you find value in my content. You can also share it with your friends. But you also realize the audio also was wants to go back, but it's not that clear. So make sure you watch my next video. Yeah.